Go ski. Get out of here. I love you. Hey, we're making a chair today. Easy chair, folding chair. Just like that. There you go. There's your foldable chair. The kit that we've got, you're gonna have two boards that are pretty much full size except the tips cut off right. Always, always, always make a layout. The bung hole. On the top. So. Excellent. It really doesn't take much to make a layout. And then start piecing it together, and if it doesn't work, then you do something different. First things first, for the back, I like to use a yardstick. From the bottom, we're gonna go 12 inches and 14 inches. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other one. From the top, I like to go 14 inches down. I used to say, or 12 inches, sorry. I used to say it didn't matter, and then I realized that if you make different chairs, different sizes, people notice that they're different. So we go 12 inches down on the back. So choose what your bottom board is, and you're gonna mark from the edge 5 inches, okay? On both sides. And then you're going to take this board and you're gonna put it on the stain side at 12 inches. So it's gonna be up to the top of the bottom board is at 12 inches. And then the board is going to be on the outside of that 5 inch mark. Now, let's grab your bunghole. Do the same thing. We're going to mark at 5 inches. And you do this one all the way to the top. And we attach this one. Got ourselves. Third board, let's do the second bottom board, okay? So the bottom of this board is at 14 inches and it's on the back side or the wood side of the stave. So you've got the bottom one is here, the second one is on the other side. Cool. Okay, so this is enough to set aside, and now we're going to put together the chair. So find the 2 leg pieces that have the top just cut off completely. Put them on the sides, and the seat I like to have 14 inches deep. Choose which boards are going to be on the very front of the seat and the back of the seat. And we're going to mark the bottom of those at 5 inches again. Cool, and now put it on the bottom, so it's wood on wood. It's gonna be inside the 5 this time. The next one, put it all the way back to where that 14-inch mark is, inside the 5. So check it out, we got a hashtag here. Take our one piece, take the other piece, see if they fit. Oh, crap, look at that. Uh-oh, they don't fit. Okay, so we got to adjust. We adjust the seat. And all I'm gonna do is bring these boards in just a tiny bit. Still at the 14. Slide it together. Holy crap, and it fits. Okay, and now we just finish piecing that up together. Does it still fit together? It does. Okay. Just like that. There you go. There's your foldable chair. It's so cute. Reverse that, and you can store it wherever you want.